Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with me, DYang. Got quite a little wasted before we get to our spot. We'll be bass fishing today, fishing with largemouth, smallmouth, maybe even some walleyes. I have no idea. It's really nice out, sunny out, which is, I prefer overcast anyways, but it's okay. Today looks like a good day. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully we catch some bass or two, learn some new techniques, and just how you have a good time, you know. Like I said, it is slow, no wake. It'll be a minute before we get to our spot. Stay tuned, stick around, and I'll see you guys out in this water. I just want to go check out the shallow end real quick, see how it is. I just want to see what I'm working with, you know. I'll fish offshore in a bit. I just want to see what's going on, basically. I don't know what's going on. Kind of just messing around, cruising around. I want to see if there's any cruiser. If they're cruising shallow. Maybe even hit a dock. Just trying to. So basically, what I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to study the lake a little bit, right? I'm cruising around, just taking some time to cast random areas, see what's triggering them, what's not. I see perch, I see rocks. Weeds, dead weeds. I don't think they're going to be over here. I would like to know. There's a ton of perch here too. Lots of them. It's crazy. So to me, I like to just, you know, troll around a little bit, see what I'm working with, study the bait fish, where most fish are hanging out, you know. I just want to know before I even like dial in to do anything, if that makes any sense. No! Fuck! That was a fish, cut me off. Well guys, that sucks. And the only bite of the day and it broke me off. Could be a pike, walleye, I don't know. 17-pound test, plain. Man. Nice bass. Stay out, stay out, stay out, stay out. Woo. There you go. Hot mess. Right there, guys. Redemption, look at that fat. That's a nice little 3-pounder right there. Super fat fish. Holy cow, dude. I didn't know he was on. There you go. It's a nice fish. Let's put him in a well. Nice fish right there. Whoa. Took something in there. What the heck is that? Broke me off. Alright guys, since I'm not catching too much fish, I guess I could talk to you guys what I'm doing here that's working, I guess. So basically, I'm flipping 17-pound test seaguar into isolated weeds, right? Or ducks, if you want to call it. The water is really clear, so that's what's making the fishing so hard, because the water's so damn clear. Like I can see 15 feet of water visibility, and you know, it just sucks, but it is what it is. So yeah, back to what I was doing. Flipping to isolated weeds, just targeting isolated areas, flipping creature bait, be a beaver tail, a flapping creature bait, a crawl, whatever you want to use, right? And pitching and going until I get a bite. I missed 4 bites so far. Well, I missed 3 bites. I land 1. So basically, when you're flipping these weeds, you want to have a confident flipping bait, right? It could be a beaver tail. Right here, I got the fuzzy beaver from Riot Baits, and I've been using this lure for a while now. It just seems to be doing the trick. It works good. I like it. I like the action on it. I like the price on it, and yeah, that's basically what it is. I'm seeing bass cruise around. Like they're swimming around. They're just cruising. They're just cruising around, and they're just not eating. So I don't know what it is. Maybe because the lake is turning over or what, but who knows? Who knows? We got about 3 hours. Let's see what we can do and hope for the best. Stay tuned. That's a big bass. Oh, that's a big bass. Oh my gosh. That's a big bass. Whoa. Big bass. Dude, let's go. Let's go. Oh, guys, I just caught a big bass. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's a nice bass. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. Oh, let's go. Jeez, that's a nice 4-pounder. Look at that. Yeah, let's go, dude. What the heck? Let me get on stop real quick. Guys, that's insane. Guys, I just pitched on that dock right there, super close, super tight. And just struck this nice 4-pounder right here. Wow, just wow. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the live well and get some pictures later. Let it calm down for a little bit. Jeez. Off of this guy right here. Oh my gosh. Get in the boat. Oh, keep chill. Relax, relax. Hello, dude. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I mean, I'm only fishing like 5-6 hours. I finally figured it out. They were feeding on crawls, a bunch of crawls in my live well, and that's just how it goes, you know. But I had fun. I learned a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and release these 2. They're pretty decent. Two big ones right there. All right, catch and release. Go ahead and hit the button right here. Here we go. 2 big bass going back. There's The other one. That's a donkey right there. Nice fish. And he goes. See ya, dude. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I figured it out too late. There was spinning out crawls all over my live well. It was a crawfish bite, and I had a good time. Basically, I was just flipping into the weeds and the rocks and docks and stuff like that, just isolated areas. Tip to you guys, if you guys are fishing new bodies of water, always stick to what you know best. Right? I mean, you can try and go out and learn new things, but when the crunch time comes, just just stick to what you know. Like, do what you know first, and then go ahead and expand your knowledge, right? I wasn't out here too long, 4 or 5 hours. I got to get back home, got to pack up, got to get ready for tomorrow, do some more fishing tomorrow, and it's just nice to be out here. I had a good time bass fishing. I love bass fishing. I'm gonna do more bass fishing for you guys, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up, watch my old videos, and I'll see you guys on the water.